Alright, hi there. I'm Israel Flores, and this is my Enhancement 2 assignment. So I guess we'll ready to get started. So grading matrix. All SQL statements are in a single file named enhancement2.sql within a folder named SQL. Each of the SQL statements is worth 3 points. Okay, so I wasn't able to figure out all the SQL statements. I actually had some trouble with the inner join. So let me grab the statement from my other screen here. There's the other one. So this is the first one. I already did this one because I couldn't test the other ones, I guess. But I'll show you the rollback. I don't know if it's actually going to give me an error because it already exists, but one row inserted. Okay. Rollback occurred. So if we go to clients, and then we got Tony Stark and all his information there. So the Tony Stark insert SQL statement works. I actually just realized I didn't show you the folders. Okay, so we've got the SQL folder right here, and then the enhancements with all my SQL statements. Okay, and then the Tony Stark update SQL statement works. So let me grab that real quick here, which is pretty much changing his client level to level 3. So let's get back over to the SQL statements. And then we won't roll it back. We'll hit go. One row affected. Okay, let's take a look. And he's now client level 3. Okay. My spacious interior update SQL statement works. So let me grab this one. So this one actually took quite some time to do. And I'm not even 100% sure if it completely works. But as far as I can tell, I think this worked. 2 rows affected. So let's go take a look at the car inventory. At our Hummer, GM Hummer. We're going to add it so we can see. Let's see, in here, the Hummer gives you the spacious. There it is. So it changed. Okay. And then number 4, the select SUV item SQL statement works. That one I had a really hard time trying to figure out. I just am not understanding the join statements. If I could get some help with that, that would be fantastic. I also personally don't believe in deleting Jeep Wrangler from the category. I think it's shameful. Jeeps are my favorite, so, but we'll do it for the assignment. Yes, so, well, let me show you the inventory first. So Jeep Wrangler right here. And then let's go and delete it with our SQL statement. Hit go. Hit OK. Okay, one row affected. Let's take a look at our inventory. And we no longer have our Jeep Wrangler, unfortunately. As much as I love Jeep Wranglers. The info image, I'll be honest, I didn't have a whole lot of time to finish this one. So I can suffer the 3 points that it's worth. So the database connection function is in a single file named connections.php within a folder named library. Each task listed below for the connection file is worth 4 points. So let me bring this back in here. So we have our, let's see, our connections.php, which is under our library folder. So we've got library right here, and then our connections page. We've got all our information here, all our variables. And then we have the our try catch statement that saying it worked, and then our PDO error if we do have an error. So let me go ahead and pull this up here. As you can see, we've got the correct file path, and right now it works. We can do an empty cache and hard reload, and it works. As far as I can tell, it's all working. And then we're going to go ahead and break it. Let's add just another S. We'll save it, and then we're going to refresh the page. And brought us to our server error statement here. And hit home. Takes us to another page. I'll have to figure that out. I think it's actually just something wrong with the file paths. I'm actually been having a really hard time with the file paths here, but I eventually get it to work. And then let's see here. So the PHP motors PDO connection function works. Just went over that. And the PHP PDO connection function fails. And so we just went over that as well. The 500 page needs to be stored under a folder named view, which is right here. Here's some of the code. Okay. And I believe that concludes the video here. But let me know if you can help me out or if you've got any good feedback for me. Again, I just didn't fully understand the inner join. I know it's meant to put two database tables together, but I'm not sure how to actually accomplish that. Thanks for watching.